So it's Army Knife here. Just want to show you this is the finished F-150 truck with the Armadillo sidebars, the 4-inch sidebars. And here is the sidebars. Notice that there's a shorter edge up front than there is in the back. So that will be one of your reference points. These are the big ones, the tabs. You'll notice on the driver's side, the tabs both face to the left and the bracket is attached on the right side if you're just looking down at them. That'll give you some good reference. That's what's typically hard to find. And here's one close up so you can see what I mean going off to the left. The bracket is actually welded on the right side. And this is a front and rear shot where they're both the same. I thought they would be different, but they're both the same and they're not marked. So now you'll see some measurements that I'm going to give you so you can tell the lengths of the front versus the back, and so you'll get the one up front that's shorter set up properly. Also, you're going to notice here this I've got one of a full length that you can see, and the underside of the carriage is really important. You'll see the bracket, and then I'm going to also show you the part of that bracket that slips in after you kind of have to like wedge it in there, but you shouldn't have to work hard at it. So it's kind of like Jenga, just try and make it fit in there. And if you'll notice, you'll have play up and down, forward and sideways. So you'll leave those loose so you can tighten them when you get the other screws in on the rail boards. So there shows you, like, look at the slop, it's up and bottom. And it is on the rocker panel, so it's not that strong. Here's another shot that kind of helps you from the front, looking back. And that's pretty much most of it. And have a great day.